Now in this video, we're going to learn how to create project file and folder, constraining sketches using the Extrude tool. How we can use the Extrude tool to create our projects. Now let's look at the picture of the project we want to create is a disk. So the first thing you're going to do is to click on the three dots. You're going to have an interface like this. So click on new. After you click on it, it's going to ask single user project. So click on next. So under here, you're going to create your file. That's the name of the project. One of the reasons why we create our project file is just to know is just to keep track of our project file, because Inventor we have the separate name for uh, for different file type, the parts, assembly, and so on. So we have to keep everything in a single folder. So I will be naming it couple practice. So I will copy it. I need to create a folder too. So click on the three dots under here. I'm going to locate the folder, the folder where I will save my where I will create my folder. So I'm doing my own under the desktop. So just click on this make new folder and create your own. So when you've already named your folder, make sure it's showing in front of this folder box. So if it's not showing, click on another folder and click on the folder you just created. So after you're done with that, click on OK so that it will save there. So when you're done, click on finished. You can see it has a tick sign there. So click on done. So after you are done with that, then come to here and click on new. So it's going to show an interface like this, but what we just need is what? Metric. So click on this corner and click on metric. We're going to use the standard So that is what we want to use. Click on it and it will load. So this is the Inventor interface. Now look at this drawing. Once to make this drawing, we have to first draw uh, the major feature of that drawing, which is a circle. So let's firstly draw that circle of diameter 100 and extrude it. So um, I'll select this face. So click on circle and diameter of 100 Okay, come here and finish sketch. Zoom out, then click on extrude. Click on this. So just tell it you want to extrude to a distance of 15 mm. So click on OK. After that, we have to do the features on each of the sides um, of the this cylindrical disc. So click on this face and click on plus. So for this, we're going to draw two lines. So draw this line, one line here. Escape. Draw another line here. Escape. So we need to ensure these two lines are on horizontal plane. So just click on this. Click on horizontal constraint, then select this. The same thing here, click on horizontal constraint and select this. So we have these two lines on the horizontal uh, plane. So the next thing is we need a coincidental constraint to constrain this thing to the circumference. So click on this, which is a coincidental constraint. So select this, select this, select this, 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 select this, and also this. So as you're moving this line, it should be what? A constraint to this boundary. So that's the beauty of the constraining your of sketch. So click on dimension here. Measure the dimension from this place to here. Type it as 8 mm. So do the same thing here, and also um, Ctrl Z. So click on dimension, click on this, so a distance of 8 mm. So distance of 8 mm from here to here. So that means we have 16 mm as the thickness of this. So finish sketch. After finishing your sketch, come here and extrude again. So we're going to select this region because that's where we want to extrude. Click on it and extrude it to a distance of 15 mm. So we have it there. So after we're done with this, come to this side also and click on this face, sketch. Unlike the former one we did, this one is on the vertical axis. So I'll draw my line here. I'll draw the second one. So let me constrain it to vertical axis too. So this is on vertical, this is also on vertical. So another thing, I may ensure that these two lines are parallel. So I can click on the parallel constraint. So click on this and click on this. So it will ensure these two lines are always parallel no matter what the condition. So I will use the coincidental constraint to constrain this one too. So click on this here, click on the point and also click on the circumference. The point here, the circumference, the point and also the circumference. After we're done with that, we're going to do the same thing we did to the former one. We measure the distance of 8 mm from this point to the center here. So we'll put it at 8 mm. So the same thing here, put it as 8 mm. So we have this sketch done too. Finish your sketch, then click on extrude. So click on this face too, and it's going to extrude to a distance of 15 mm. Uh, click OK. Now come here and save your file. So call it the disk. Click OK. So let's assign a certain material to it. Come here and let's give it my steel. Just scroll down. So the material we're going to use for this is going to be my steel. So we have the appearance, save again. Then let's move to the next component.